Are you spending your money on protein powders, pre-workouts, and creatine, but still seeing no results? Here's the truth, most beginners don't need any of this. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the real science behind supplements and help you understand what actually matters. Hint, it's not what you think. Let's start with the most popular supplement beginners grab first: protein powder. Protein powder can help meet your daily protein needs. But here's the thing, if you're eating enough protein from real food like chicken, eggs, or beans, you don't need protein powder. It's a convenient option, but not essential for beginners. So save your money for better groceries. Now, what about creatine? Does it actually work? Creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the world, and it helps increase strength and muscle mass. But here's the catch. It works best for people who already have a solid workout routine. For beginners, you're better off focusing on mastering your workouts first. Learn proper form, build a solid foundation, then consider creatine down the road. Now let's talk pre-workout. Honestly, all it does is give you a caffeine boost. If you're tired, a coffee will do the same thing. Pre-workout isn't a magic potion. It's just caffeine and a few extra ingredients you don't really need. So, what really matters for beginners? It's simple: consistency, training, and nutrition. Supplements they're meant to fill in the gaps, not replace what's most important. If your diet is good, you don't need supplements to see progress. So beginners, focus on your workouts, eat real food, and don't waste your money on unnecessary supplements. We're going to be busting more fitness myths and giving you real practical advice to help you hit your goals. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let's keep this fitness journey going.